Hi there, students. A prang, or as a verb, to prang. Okay, this is to have an accident in your car. Not a serious one, but enough to damage your car. So I borrowed my dad's car and I pranged it, and now he's absolutely furious with me. Yeah, I had a prang with a bus, and the front of the car is all dented. So a prang, a fender bender. Notice this word prang, this is very British. This is British or Australian or perhaps Canadian. But to prang your car, okay, to damage your vehicle in an accident. So the week after I passed my driving test, I pranged my new car. So I was very upset about it. Okay, so if you prang a vehicle, you have an accident, but it's not, the vehicle is not a write-off. Yeah, you can still probably use it. It's just normally cosmetic damage. You can prang a plane as well. So there was a news story about a pilot who pranged his plane at Heathrow Airport. So he landed and then he crashed it into another aeroplane that was stationary. So to prang, to crash a vehicle, to have a prang, to damage the vehicle you're driving in a minor collision with another accident. In the modern world, if you drive in the city, it's very different to avoid the odd prang. Yeah, in my motoring life, I've had numerous prangs. It would probably take me all day to list them for you. So a prang, a crash involving a car. It could be an aeroplane as well. But that's actually from the origin. I think the origin of this word to prang comes from the RAF, from the Royal Air Force in the Second World War. And it's probably imitative. Prang! This is onomatopoeia. Yeah, I think it's got the bang bit. So to prang your car, to prang your vehicle, is the idea, is to have an accident with it. It's really annoying if you prang your vehicle. Yeah, I had a prang with a bus. I pranged my car. So it can be both a noun or a verb. So John pranged his new sports car last month and he was so angry about it. Yeah, so, well, if you borrow my car, either no prangs, or if you prang it, then you're going to have to pay for it. You're going to have to pay to repair it. Yeah, so if you prang my car, then you're going to have to pay for it. You're going to have to pay for it to get it repaired. I think this phrase, as I said, is nearly always British. An accident, a crash involving a car or something like that. Notice this is a fairly informal phrase. I think I would probably give this 3.5 informality. This is for an informal conversation. I wouldn't use it in anything semi-formal. Use it in something informal. A prang, to prang, a collision, a crash. Yeah, an accident, a small bump, a fender bender, as the Americans call it. Yeah, I pranged my mum's car. The taxi I was driving had a prang with a truck. Yeah, so to prang something, to crash it. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. So try not to prang your car, because your insurance premium will just go up if you have a prang. Bye for now.